Play-Doh Creations tutorial. Unleash your creativity. Looking for a fun and easy way to get creative? Look no further than Play-Doh. With this Play-Doh Creations tutorial, you'll learn how to make amazing creations that will impress your friends and family. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need Play-Doh in a variety of colors, a work surface, and some tools to help you shape your creations. Some good options include cookie cutters, rolling pins, and plastic knives. Once you've got your supplies, it's time to start creating. One of the easiest things to make with Play-Doh is a simple ball. Roll a ball of Play-Doh in your hands, and then flatten it slightly to create a base for your creation. From there, the sky's the limit. Use your tools to create shapes, cut out designs, and add texture and detail to your creations. You can make animals, people, food, and more. The only limit is your imagination. If you're feeling stuck, try looking up some Play-Doh Creations tutorial online for inspiration. You'll find plenty of videos and articles that showcase amazing Play-Doh creations. From intricate sculptures to simple but charming design. One of the great things about Play-Doh is that it's easy to clean up. If you make a mistake or want to start over, simply roll your Play-Doh back into a ball and start again. When you're finished with your creation, be sure to show it off. Take a photo, share it on social media, or give it to a friend or family member as a gift. Play-Doh Creations tutorial is a great way to spend a rainy day or to entertain kids at a party. It's also a great way to relieve stress and tap into your creative side. So what are you waiting for? Grab some Play-Doh and start creating. You never know what amazing things you might come up with.